Photography began as a hobby for me and my husband, but after a DIY photo shoot for our wedding invitation, we unexpectedly started receiving paid gigs, transforming this hobby into a lucrative side hustle. So to answer the question posed in the title of this video, can you make money from photography? The answer is a resounding yes. And there are a lot of ways to do it. In this video, I'll share 9 ways, starting with those that have made the most significant impact on our lives and earnings, down to those I've explored less extensively. Hi, it's me again, Rose, your go-to buddy for all things photography, creative entrepreneurship, and everything in between. Photography, or should I say the dynamic duo of photography and videography, didn't just change my life, it transformed my family's life entirely. Photography is one of the reasons why we were able to move to a tourist destination, do what we love while earning, spend a lot of quality family time, and visit so many beautiful places. But it's not just about the money, although financial stability is very important, obviously. Photography is a passion for me, for us, a means of self-expression that allows us to share our perspective of the world with others. For me personally, it's been a lifeline, a way for me to navigate through some of the darkest moments of my life. Growing up in a challenging environment, photography became my escape from reality, a way to find beauty amidst the chaos. I know that sounds cheesy, but as someone who battled with really dark thoughts due to family and personal struggles, photography became more than just a hobby. It became my therapy. It empowered me to turn the ordinary into something extraordinary, helping me shift my focus from despair to possibility. So instead of crying in my room all the time, feeling sorry for myself, I devoured books and watched a ton of online courses to learn more about photography. Eventually, I started helping other people with my photography service or teaching them how to do it. So photography has not only provided me with a source of income, but has also been the catalyst for the most significant breakthrough in my life. But enough with the preamble. Let's dive into the juicy part of this video, shall we? So, the first way to make money from photography is if you do it for other people, or simply freelance photography. In today's social media-driven world, the demand for professional photography services has skyrocketed, from capturing precious moments like newborn sessions and birthday parties to immortalizing once-in-a-lifetime events like weddings. The need for skilled photographers has never been higher. This was particularly true for me and my husband when we offered freelance photography services. Despite my initial lack of marketing skills, our schedule was consistently packed, largely thanks to word-of-mouth referrals within our network. The demand was so high that we found ourselves fully booked most of the time. In the early days, we priced our services modestly at around 15,000 pesos. So that's approximately $300 for a full wedding coverage package. While this may seem inexpensive, especially considering our basic equipment and credentials, it was a strategic move to establish ourselves in the market. As we honed our skills and invested in better gear, we gradually increased our rates. However, the real game changer for us came when we ventured into the second avenue of making money from photography, teaching others how to do it themselves. This pivot not only allowed us to share our passion and expertise, but also opened up new streams of income. So, let's explore the second way of making money from photography, teaching others how to do it themselves. While it may seem paradoxical, this avenue proved to be even more lucrative for us than solely providing photography services for clients. Why? Because it offered scalability. When we were solely focused on photography services, we were essentially trading our time for money. Each session required our direct involvement, limiting our earning potential by the hours we could dedicate to shoots. However, when we shifted our focus to teaching photography, we discovered a whole new realm of opportunity. By recording ourselves, teaching photography, and uploading the content to e-learning platforms, we created a scalable income stream. Whether I was sleeping, running errands, or enjoying family time on the beach, our online courses were reaching and teaching thousands of people around the clock. The scalability of this model allowed us to earn income continuously, even when we were actively working. So the beauty of teaching online is that it's not limited to photography. You can share knowledge on virtually any topic you're passionate about. The key is to identify a problem you can solve and provide value to others. Reflect on the challenges you've overcome and the solutions you've found. Chances are, others are facing similar issues and would benefit from your expertise. Just let me know if you want a video about creating pre-recorded online courses in the comment below. Now, I want to emphasize that this is not an overnight success story. Building a successful online teaching platform takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. Our journey to semi-passive online income spanned 3 years of strategic decision-making and hard work. But each right decision compounded over time, leading us to the point where we now enjoy the freedom to pursue our passions, travel, and spend quality time with our family. Moving on, another way to make money from photography is product photography for e-commerce. So working with businesses to photograph their products for online stores, catalogs, or advertising materials is a lucrative opportunity in today's digital market. High-quality product images are crucial for capturing customers' attention and driving sales in the competitive e-commerce landscape. While I still engage in product photography occasionally, I've scaled back to working with brands that resonate with me personally. This allows me to maintain my passion for photography while ensuring alignment with my values and interests. Next, we have commercial photography contracts. This involves securing agreements with businesses, marketing agencies, or publications to provide photography services regularly. These services could range from creating images for advertising campaigns and editorial content to capturing product launches or corporate branding initiatives. While businesses often have larger budgets than individual clients, this avenue can be more time-consuming due to the need for revisions and meeting specific client requests. From my experience, I found that while commercial contracts offer substantial income potential, they may require significant time and effort for each project. So personally, I prefer avenues that allow for more scalability and passive income, such as the pre-recorded online courses I mentioned earlier. However, if you're just starting out or seeking consistent revenue streams, commercial contracts can be an excellent option to consider. Next, we have stock photography. Basically, you can submit your photos to stock photography websites where people and businesses can purchase licenses to use your images for different purposes, such as advertising, websites, and publications. I personally use stock photos in some of my videos and online courses, so I'm really looking to do more of this in the future as well. Another way is print sales. Selling prints of your photographs can be a fulfilling and lucrative venture. There are different avenues through which you can sell your prints, including online platforms, galleries, art fairs, or directly to clients. By offering a range of print sizes and formats such as framed prints, canvas wraps, or metal prints, you can cater to different preferences and budgets. For many photographers, myself included, the idea of seeing your images displayed in people's homes or businesses is a deeply gratifying experience. Selling prints allow you to share your artistic vision with a broader audience and create tangible pieces of art that people can cherish for years to come. Next is photo editing and retouching. Offering photo editing and retouching services can be a valuable source of income, particularly for individuals or businesses or fellow photographers who lack the time or expertise to edit their own images. This service involves color correction, portrait retouching, and enhancing images for different commercial purposes. I personally outsourced photo editing and retouching tasks when I was just starting out as a photographer. I sought assistance from platforms like Fiverr and even asked someone on Facebook to quickly teach me their editing techniques for $20. Through a combination of self-learning, studying, books, and enrolling in online courses, I gradually honed my editing skills to what I think is a professional level today. I think. That is why I incorporated photo editing lessons into my online courses. So for those with the time and expertise, offering photo editing and retouching services can be a great start. By leveraging your skills and knowledge in this area, you can help clients achieve their desired aesthetic for their images while generating income for yourself. While I personally focus on teaching and other aspects of my photography business nowadays, I can see the potential of offering editing services and would consider incorporating it into my offerings in the future. Second to the last is offering one-to-one coaching. Providing personalized coaching sessions can be an excellent way to generate income while sharing your expertise and helping others develop their skills. You won't believe how many people are willing to pay for the opportunity to learn directly from experienced professionals like yourself. During these sessions, you can offer guidance on photography basics, provide feedback on their current work, or offer tailored advice based on their specific needs and goals. In my own experience, I had the chance to explore this avenue through a trial run, and I discovered that there is indeed a demand for personalized coaching services. However, I ultimately decided not to pursue this option extensively at the time, given my commitments to my family and homeschooling my toddler. I found that offering one-to-one coaching sessions would require significant time and energy, which I couldn't accommodate fully at the moment. But I really enjoyed the experience and would consider revisiting this option in the future when my circumstances allow for it. Lastly, real estate photography. Real estate photography involves specializing in capturing high-quality images of properties for listing purposes. These images play a crucial role in attracting potential buyers and facilitating faster sales by showcasing the property in its best light. Just a quick story related to real estate photography. Did you know that we were able to sell our condo quickly because of the high-quality images that we took? So it's a testament to the impact that photography can have in different aspects of our lives, including real estate transactions. Photography as a skill offers a lot of benefits, as it allows you to capture beautiful images of virtually anything, from your loved ones and friends to your own home if you're looking to sell it, or even pre-loved items intended for online sales. This versatility proves the value of honing your photography skills, as it opens up diverse opportunities for income generation. Is that 9 already? Well, let's recap. So number 1, freelancing, taking photos of events and special occasions for clients. Number 2, teaching photography, sharing your expertise through online courses or workshops. Number 3, stock photography, selling your images on stock photo websites. Number 4, prints or selling prints of your photographs through online platforms, gallery, or directly to clients. Number 5, photo editing and retouching, providing editing services for individuals, businesses, or other photographers. Number 6, one-on-one coaching, offering personalized coaching sessions to individuals seeking to improve their photography skills. Number 7, product photography for e-commerce, collaborating with businesses to photograph their products for online stores and advertising materials. Number 8 is commercial photography contracts, securing contracts with businesses, agencies, or publications to provide photography services for different purposes. And lastly, number 9, real estate photography, wherein you specialize in capturing high-quality images of properties for real estate listings. And there you have it, 9 ways for you to make money from photography. Each of these avenues presents opportunities for you to generate income and establish a successful business. Just make sure to consider marketing, pricing, taxes, contracts, and all of the other business aspects of it. Let me know if you want to see a video about that too, and a specific question you want to be answered in the comments below. I hope that was super helpful. Share the love and share this video to a friend and family who might benefit from it. Don't forget to like so you can make me smile, and subscribe so I will be motivated to do more videos like this. It's totally free. Also, if you want to know how I transitioned from my corporate job to being a full-time creative entrepreneur, aka being a photographer and selling online courses, check out this other video where I share insights on overcoming challenges such as financial insecurity, lack of benefits, self-doubt, feelings of isolation, uncertainty, and the fear of failure. I believe you'll find valuable guidance and inspiration there. I hope to see you there. Bye!